Hello.
Uptown Swing.
Level 2.
Swing out, Mom.
Yes.
That's Val. I'm Brian.
That's us. We did Texas Tommy.
It looks like this. A 1, 2, 3, a 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, a 8. We also said you can switch the hand at the end.
We talked a lot about this versus trying to go around.
Thumb pointing down.
Yeah. Yeah, so you go out and
Boom.
behind. And it's like, and
5.
yeah.
Then we work on swivels.
Yeah, so we did like a refresher. We made you swing out with your swivels.
A 1, 3,
So followers,
get ready
finish
and go,
1,
go.
2, 3, and 4. And what we worked on is trying not to kind of like run forward while swiveling, but then your swivels turn out to be like this.
Followers, take the time to dance for
Yeah.
yourselves and let your leader ask you where to go.
2 things, so if you practice swivels on your own, make sure it's not just the knees. Make sure that comes from your butt. And what was the second one? I think that was it.
You can use a doorknob or a very willing person.
Yeah.
Practice those before next week. We'll keep going then. Bye!